Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 7 of this luxury apartment. Let's get started. So in this video, we're going to continue working on this and we're going to focus on this suite. So here, around 9 and 10 grid line, we're going to focus on this area and we're going to create a 2-bedroom apartment. So with that, click on the wall, type in CS, and just add a wall right here on the 9 grid line, and then you will need to be just add the same wall right here. So basically you could just extend this one as well, but I rather just add one as well. And then we need to create another wall right here. So I'm adding this wall and I want to move the temporary dimension to the 10th grid line and just put 345. And then similar here, we're going to add another wall. And then TR, trim and extend. I rather add the wall right here now so that we could close off. So let's click this wall, CS, and then add a wall right here all the way down to the corridor. Click on this one, and then here, reference grid line 11, click on the dimension, and then you could just type in 1345. So that's our boundary wall right there. Now you can extend this one all the way to that wall. So now this is our bedrooms. We created our bedrooms right there. Now click on here, CS, add a wall all the way up to the corridor. Click on this wall, and this is from reference the boundary wall that we created, 2581 or 80. And then click on the wall, CS, add a wall right here, and then another wall right here, and a wall right there. So click on this wall. I want you to reference the wall that we have right here, and this will be around 1570. This wall will be 895. It referenced this wall, and then click on this wall. I want it to be referencing here, so I'm gonna move this one or this one right there, and then select this. This should be 1650. Okay, so now that's good. Let's also add walls on this. So I'm gonna add a wall like here. Sorry. So just add a wall, CS, add a wall right here, and then like that. Don't you worry, I'm gonna give you the dimensions for that. It's easier for me to add the shape first before moving everything else. So here I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna reference this wall right here. Okay, so now I'm referencing this wall. I'm gonna push this out by selecting this and then typing 2300. After that, let's select this wall. I want to reference this wall to this grid line, which is number 9 grid line. Select this one and then type in 1155. Okay, and then here we're just going to extend this wall like that and then add in some walls like this. Some linen closet right here. I'm gonna select this wall. I want it to be around 1450, and we can move it once we put the tub here, and if it doesn't fit, we could just move this one, so that's fine. And then here we're good. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add in some doors so that we could visualize everything. Add a door right here, a door here, a door right here, spacebar, and then you can move your cursor depending on the side that you want. And then one more right here. And then here we could add one, but a smaller one. And then let's let's add in a wall. So I'm going to extend this wall all the way there. And then CS, this wall, this is for the closet. So roughly around 750 will be good. And then for that closet, I'm gonna grab this CS and then add and then for the linen, let's add this and then some pantry. We're gonna add a smaller. So let's look for this one, CS. Let's add this one right here and then the pantry like that. For this one, let's move this one around 880 instead. I want to have more space right here. And then let's add in the equipments. So the laundry will be on this spot. And then the tub, CS, let's add the tub right here. And then we could just move this one. MV to move. So MV, get it from the corner up to there. If you want to align it perfectly, AL, give it some gap first, AL, like that. So it's easier to move. And then some toilet, CS, add it right here. And then I'm gonna add one right here. The pocket doors, where we need to add the pocket doors. So I'm gonna grab this door, CS, and then move it here and here. Let's move it around in the middle like that. Let's align it so that it looks perfect. So that's good. And then now let's figure out our kitchen. And then here, let's add an opening. So CS. I think around 435, similar to here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reference this by adding. So I'm gonna add a smaller door right here. CS. And then for the size of here, 1435. So here we could put it around, reference this wall around 400, or let's align it from this one. There. TR or SL first and then TR. And then the same add right here. And then for the gap here, I'm thinking, or the length here, around 700 or 770 would be good. Because that is for our kitchen, CS or copy CO. Let's just copy here because it's linear and it's aligned there. AL. And then here we could just copy this. I'm gonna copy CO and grab it from that. And from here I'm gonna just put it there and just extend this one. It's much easier to do because everything is linear here, so we could just extend. And then here we could extend it more so that we have more space. And then here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this, or we could just mirror. So I'm assuming this is the midpoint, and then from here I'm just gonna drag it right there. So basically we're just copying everything, CO, because it's already there, so might as well just do it, right? It will make my life easy and for you guys as well. So here, and then now we could put in the details. Same. Let's not forget the vanity for the toilet. CS. I'll put it right here. And then toilet right here. And then I just want to double check the size. I'm gonna check this one because I want to double check. Yes, this is too much. So I just need to move it to 350. That's fine. We could just move this one. So it's a much better spacing. And then here we could add in a bigger door. And then here we could just add some storage at the top. And then here as well, storage at the top for the pantry. And then here, let's finish up. So I'm just selecting it, CS. It's a lot easier. And then here, same. We have some closet. Let's move this more. And then here, CS again. And then TR here. CS. There we go. So those extra details will give it a much more or a better understanding of the area. And then here we're going to put a shower. So CS, and I'm gonna put it right there, and that's I'm going to align there. And then here CS, I'm just going to add this one for plumbing purposes. And then we could just put our beds. Same orientation as before. There we go. So now we're finished here. I'm going to just copy this one. And we're good with this. I think we add everything. So the good thing here is we could just copy this wall or this suite because it's the same as the one on the right side. Just don't copy this one, but grab it from that corner. So copy and then click on that. Remove the constraint. So uncheck that and then click on this side. Now we have this one right here, and then we could just extend this one somewhere like that for now. And then here, we're going to extend this one all the way. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.